the recording. Okay. Yeah, Yinshi, I saw you write um item. Yeah, you want to talk a bit about that?
Oh, okay, thank you. Um, yeah, I was mm, I was testing about the downtime, whether it is supported or not for vLLM router, because in production environment usually uh, there's many cases where pods can be deleted because of some resource uh, status, right? It can be evicted or it can be killed in many reasons. So in that case, we have
Mhm.
to run multiple pods, like at least two replicas. And at the same time, if we have to update VM router's image version, then we should perform running update or A/B, yeah, blue green or A/B testing. Yeah, in that case, I think we should. It would be nice to support, yeah, for VRM router uh, to make it stateless. Yeah, and also otherwise we can we can make VRM router to share states between each replica. So
Mm.
at the moment I don't see any logic or considerations there. So it'd be nice to add some implementation there. Maybe using Redis or like MongoDB or etcd or anything else.
I see, I see. So about the zero downtime thing, um yeah, so just wondering like what kind of states that need to be shared between replicas?
At this point, I see some for example, metrics because
Mm,
like router metrics or for engine metrics or request related metrics, each replica will store its own memory uh,
mm,
of those metrics. So in that case, if I can also run multiple VRM router replicas, but in that case, each replica will have their own states, so it might conflict metric store on Prometheus. I haven't tried it yet, but I think it will. So I'm worried about um, inconsistent data store on Prometheus.
I see, I see. This is actually a good point. Yeah, we haven't considered about this yet. Um, yeah, do you want to take a stab at this feature? Uh, yeah, feel free to if you want. You can also create a proposal if you don't have time to implement it.
Yeah, I think I should create proposal first, and also I need to double check if there's already relevant issues there.
Okay.
Yeah, I see
Yeah,
some issues already, but it's not very closely related to this one, but
yeah,
somewhat related to yeah this one.
I see, I see, I see. Yeah, I haven't if I remember correctly, I haven't seen any issues related to this yet. Yeah.
Mm. Okay, then
But
I will
yeah, this
try to
is
make it as a proposal.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, this is a good feature to have. Yeah. Nice, nice. Okay. Okay. Next one, shouting.
Hi everyone. We released a new repo on benchmarking the production stack. The link is here. I put in the Google Doc. This repo contains some starting code of the production stack with LM cache and production stack with vLLM. We also put the bootstrapper code for the Dynamo and some other similar stacks in this public repo. We can see that we have a benchmark directory in production stack, but this new repo had some new features like it has some clean code for the syntactic traces and fix some QPS issue. And also we support real traces like Mooncake trace and ShareGPT trace. So feel free to try it out.
Yeah. Shani, do you also want to like show like how to get started for using a simple example? Is it included in this README?
Uh, yes, it is actually in the configs April 2025.
Okay.
So it has some simple codes to start the production stack. You can go down through, scroll down and see the vLLM v0 plus LM cache and vLLM v0.
Oh, this one?
Yeah.
I see, I see.
We have already put like the Helm YAML file in this repo, so you don't need to configure the parameters yourself. You can use our parameters.
Okay, I see. Yeah, this should be useful for the community to reproduce our benchmarking results or yeah, or run it on the newest versions. Yeah, great. Okay. Any questions for this part? Okay. So Flavio
Yeah. Hello. So
and
I just yeah, open maybe a feature request to allow the support for the vLLM V1 sleep and the wake mode. The vLLM V1 so has a feature that allows for you to put the engine to sleep. Just give him yeah, a HTTP request and also to wake up the engine. So when the engine is sleeping, it doesn't handle any of requests,
mm,
but it deletes some of the resources like the free up GPU, as it back up the models waiting in GPU. Has different levels of sleep. I'm describing just level one,
I
and
see.
and the router shouldn't be yeah handling sending requests to this engine if this feature is enabled. Um, so yeah, this is yeah just stops here if there is no questions.
Mm, yeah, I think th this is very useful and and we need to modify the router to disable like forwarding requests to the sleeping engine. Yeah.
And
Yeah.
yeah I'd like to I've been thinking about a solution, and I'd like to take a step on this, and I will yeah. So for this for proposed solution, do you want me to open the different issue, or can I just yeah comment here in these feature requests so to get feedback from the community? What do you suggest?
Okay. Sounds good. Yeah, you can, yeah, we can just discuss in this issue. And if you'd like to take a stab at this implementation or proposal, feel free to do so. Yeah,
Okay,
this will be a very, very useful feature to add. Yeah.
great. Yeah, I wrote down my proposal. Yeah, and I have to get feedback before I start in an implementation.
Okay. 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 Sounds good.
Makes sense.
Thanks. Okay. Um, any other questions from the audience? Yeah, and also I just fixed some bugs in it's not a bug. So for vLLM V1 there are some updated like fields in the Helm chart. So I fixed those. For example, like if people want to use Ion Cache with vLLM V1, I'm modifying the Helm chart here to use like this Ion Cache connector V1 instead of Ion Cache connector using V0. And yeah, so I also posted a like tutorial for this. If people want to use vLLM V1 with Ion Cache. Yeah, so I think. that's basically it from this week. If there are no more questions from the audience, we can end early. Okay. Okay, sounds good. Okay, thank you everyone for coming.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah,
Thank
thank you.
you.
Yeah, see
Bye.
you.
Bye.
See you. Bye.